The Bentley MicroStation User Accreditation for Civil Designers is an official credential from Bentley Systems. By attending the recommended course, completing the accreditation course, and completing a hands-on design project, you will have demonstrated the skills to stand out from the competition and advance your career to the next level. It consists of an instructor-led hands-on course, or on demand. This is a highly recommended course and contains all the workflows and proper use of the MicroStation Connect Edition. The attendees of the MicroStation Connect Edition Basics for Civil Designers will be trained by a Bentley experienced consultant on the best practices of using the MicroStation Connect Edition. The Bentley MicroStation User Accreditation for Civil Designers is meant to test your knowledge and use of fundamental CAD concepts and basic MicroStation tool use in a 2D, civil-oriented plans production workflow. Following this course will be the Bentley MicroStation User Accreditation course, a 1-hour hands-on orientation course discussing in detail the accreditation process. During this short course, should you decide to become accredited, you'll be given all the necessary documentation and starting project work set. Users will need to complete project tasks to demonstrate their skills and abilities within a provided civil project. Keep in mind, we're not teaching design applications such as open roads, but rather solely MicroStation. Once you have successfully completed, submitted, and satisfactorily completed the accreditation project, you will receive an official Bentley accreditation. So what does this cost you or your company? Zero as a Bentley Select subscriber, just the time it takes to learn the needed skills and work through the accreditation project. As you learn, there's 3 parts to the accreditation. All are important. First, the recommended course, MicroStation Connect Edition Basics for Civil Designers. This course has been completely rewritten and updated to reflect enhancements found in the latest updates of the MicroStation Connect Edition. The course has 2 delivery methods: live instructor-led virtual classes conducted by a skilled Bentley instructor over 32 hours, or offered on demand, learning at your own pace, which includes 78 brand new instructional videos. This course is designed to enable civil designers to become proficient with the MicroStation Connect Edition. It's taught from the point of view of a civil designer or drafter working at a design firm whose company has been awarded a design project using MicroStation and needs to become skilled in the use of MicroStation. During this course, you will learn basic navigation of the MicroStation Connect user interface, creating and working with MicroStation design files, drawing and manipulation tools, annotation, sheet composition, and indexing. If you feel you have all these skills already mastered, simply review the videos only, or jump right to the accreditation. This is entirely at your pace. Now let me go through the details of the accreditation project. The project simulates a real civil project, or as real as we can make it. The exercises are building on top of one another, putting you in an environment similar to what you would be experiencing on a real-life project. You begin with developing the site location, all drawn at precision using polar and rectangular coordinates, all while working in a geographic coordinate system. Followed by subdividing that property boundary into several parcels, dimensioning with distance and bearing, placing a note. You'll then add driveway and entrance center lines and edge of pavement. Then detail out the retail locations, add building footprints, hatching, parking areas, lighting, and landscaping. Next, you'll add a retention basin, a stormwater management pond. You'll offset this and add fencing, place contours, and contour labels. And then take some existing data and make it meet your standards in the form of a signalization plan. Here you'll create some standard details: open cut concrete details, driveway, and street sections, several detail sheets. You'll then create construction documents like a cover sheet and numerous general note sheets. You'll create plan sheets from your parcel and subdivision design. Add retail center and commercial building plans, stormwater pollution prevention plan sheets, and add drainage pond plan sheets, signalization sheets, and standard detail sheets. This section is where you put it all together, the geometry you create adding sheets and all the detailing. Here, you'll take those sheets, all 22 of them that you created, and add them to various folders and add sheet numbering to organize this project into a sheet index. And finally, taking those sheets, applying particular print settings including pen tables to generate the final project deliverable as an intelligent PDF. The accreditation process involves preparing, attending, and completing the accreditation project. Before attempting the accreditation project, it's recommended that you have at least 40 hours of project use with MicroStation. Now, this doesn't include training or honing your skills. This training is provided by Bentley in the form of a MicroStation User Accreditation for Civil Designers course. You'll need to register to attend the Bentley MicroStation User Accreditation course, the 1-hour hands-on orientation course discussing in detail the accreditation project. You'll need to attend the Bentley MicroStation User Accreditation course. That's that 1-hour orientation course where you'll receive all the materials that you need to complete the accreditation project. And finally, after the 1-hour orientation class, where you're given all your materials, data sets, links to the recommended course, and then given a certain period of time. During this time, you'll complete all parts of the accreditation project, and you'll submit that project to Bentley. The instructor and team will review the submittal and provide feedback or recommend revisions to the accreditation project. You'll be then notified of your accreditation status. Please feel free to contact us with any questions about the accreditation program for MicroStation. Email us at bentleylearn@bentley.com. So what are the requirements to become Bentley MicroStation accredited? First, gain the skills needed. The MicroStation User Accreditation for Civil Designers, this is a recommended course. Attend the Bentley MicroStation User Accreditation, that 1-hour orientation. Complete, then submit the accreditation project. Sign the accreditation agreement. 4 simple steps to stand out from the competition and advance your career to the next level.